Okay folks, I wanted to do a little video on my truck here I built. Show it to you a little bit, show you how I done the remote control on it. This was a U-Haul truck. We had taken an old Boniface bed that was in rough shape and the underreach, and used a Chevron boom that had come off of a burnt truck. Put it together. Now we changed the wheels and tires over to 22.5s. Of course, added the hydraulic outriggers on the back. But it was basically just built with junk parts. And you'll have to excuse me, this is my first video. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but my son bought me this camera because he said if I used my cell phone, people would be asking me what the hell I filmed it with, a damn potato. So we'll see how this works out. Now I'll show you the remote control box that I had used. You see right over there. It's called Control All Wireless. I believe they're from Minnesota, if I remember right. See if I can get this thing to zoom in. There it is. Use the pine straw on it. It's something you got to live with around North Carolina. So let's see if I can show you how it works. What I did was hook air cylinders up. As you can see, the air cylinders move it. Depending on your air pressure, you can adjust it to where it's not so harsh, and because you don't want them to come in really fast and kind of makes it tough. See what we can do here. We'll stay off the controls. What I've got here is just a lanyard that comes with it, as you can see. If I can't catch my hook there and make a mess of things. The worst part is I'm not even too good on it right yet because I hadn't used it that much. What I did is I've got it controlling the underreach in and out, the fold on the underreach, and the boom up and down, and then I've got a third drag winch, which you'll have to excuse me, I broke the cable on the other day. I have it replaced. And then of course if you just want to use it normal, you can use it just like a regular. It works pretty good. Now I'll show you the controls over here. It's a pretty simple setup if you've got air on your truck. Hopefully you can see that. What you've got is air solenoids. And then you run from your control box, you run it through relays, then you want to run a diode to keep it from backfeeding, and then run to your air solenoids, and then you operate each motion on an air cylinder with one solenoid. So if you're operating 4 air cylinders, you need 8 solenoids. And you'll see they've got an override. You can just push a button on them if you'd like, or you can see the light come on when you hit it. Shows you which one's operating. Pretty simple setup. It's not hard to do. It's just time consuming. I'm going to go see if I can figure out how to edit this and maybe upload it online. Had a few people wanting some video. Of course, the outriggers. You can see them work. Turned out to be a nice truck. Does a good job.